Welcome to our deep dive into AdoMobi DSP, a powerful and intuitive mobile-first demand-side platform that's changing the way advertisers connect with audiences across the globe. In today's video, we'll explore what AdoMobi DSP is, how it works, and why it's gaining traction among marketers looking to scale campaigns efficiently and transparently. AdoMobi DSP allows advertisers to purchase digital ad inventory programmatically across a vast network of mobile apps and websites using real-time bidding, RTB technology. This means that every ad impression is evaluated in real time, and only the most relevant and cost-effective opportunities are pursued, giving advertisers the edge they need in a highly competitive mobile advertising landscape. Getting started is straightforward. Users simply log into the AdoMobi dashboard, define their campaign goals, whether it's installs, impressions, clicks, or conversions, and set targeting parameters such as location, language, device type, operating system, network connection, time of day, and even behavioral and contextual cues. From there, AdoMobi connects directly to major ad exchanges and supply-side platforms, allowing advertisers to bid on high-quality inventory through automated auctions that occur in milliseconds. The platform's algorithm analyzes hundreds of data points to determine the best possible match between an ad and a user, ensuring maximum relevance and engagement. What makes AdoMobi DSP stand out is its robust optimization engine. It continuously learns from real-time campaign performance and automatically adjusts bidding strategies, targeting rules, and creative delivery to improve results and minimize waste. Whether you're a brand looking to boost awareness, an app developer focused on user acquisition, or a media buyer aiming for high return on ad spend, ROAS, AdoMobi offers tools to support every objective. Transparency is another cornerstone of the platform. Advertisers have full visibility into where their ads appear, how much they pay for each impression, and what performance metrics are being achieved, all in a single, easy-to-navigate dashboard. You can track KPIs in real time, export detailed reports, and integrate third-party analytics tools for even deeper insights. Creatives on AdoMobi DSP can include static banners, interactive rich media, and video ads, all of which are A/B tested and optimized for performance. With built-in fraud protection, GDPR-compliant user data handling, and support for brand safety filters, advertisers can run campaigns with confidence. Plus, AdoMobi supports multiple pricing models such as CPM, CPC, and CPI, making it suitable for a wide range of marketing strategies and budgets. Over the last few years, AdoMobi has earned a reputation for delivering scalable results with a user-centric approach to mobile advertising. It's particularly popular among agencies and performance marketers who need detailed control over audience segmentation and real-time feedback loops. One key feature often highlighted by users is the ability to run multi-geo campaigns with localized creatives, enabling global brands to reach specific audiences with tailored messaging. Additionally, the platform's customer support team is available to assist with onboarding, campaign optimization, and troubleshooting, helping users get the most out of their ad spend. In summary, AdoMobi DSP empowers advertisers to take full control of their mobile advertising campaigns with powerful automation, precise targeting, and actionable insights. It removes the complexity of programmatic buying without compromising on scale or sophistication. Whether you're just starting in mobile marketing or you're looking to switch from a legacy DSP, AdoMobi offers a flexible, data-driven environment to help you meet your goals. In the remaining part of this video, we'll walk you through a live demo of the dashboard, show you how to set up your first campaign, and share tips from experts on how to optimize performance and avoid common pitfalls. To learn more, visit www.adomobi.com or reach out to our support team at support@adomobi.com. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started with AdoMobi DSP.